So hey guys, today I'm gonna unbox this cheap link Deco M4. So this is a mesh Wi-Fi router which helps you to move Wi-Fi with like this types of. If you buy two of these, you can extend the Wi-Fi range or the signal to use it in the other rooms. If you don't have the Wi-Fi connection so fast, then you can buy any types of mesh Wi-Fi devices and you can connect it. Then, this can we can use it to I can use it to use 1200 megabyte connection or 1.2 gigabyte connection, and it will cover up to 2000 square feet of your house. If your house is small, this is only enough. If your house is very big, you can buy two of these or more of these to get more secure. So let's unbox it. So here, so you can open it. So here's the Wi-Fi router, and here's all the cables, and here's the Ethernet cable. Here's the manual. I think this is the power adapter. And here's the Wi-Fi router itself. Oh, it's very light. It's like something futuristic. I've taken the router off the box. So here's the router, and you can see you can plug the power right there. So you can tidy up some cables. And here's the Ethernet cable which comes with it, and here's the manual, and this box has the power adapter. So here's the power adapter. To plug the power cable, you put the cable inside there, and then you can plug it in. Then you can power it up, and you can set up. Then you can set up it. So I'm going to make another video about using it for 1 month, and I'm going to show you my impression. So hey guys, a little thing in this video. I didn't upload videos for a few months. Maybe I don't know, I just forgot it. But I got an exam, then I got leave. I didn't edit videos, then I got no trip. And it was Manipal. It was nice. I got beaches, islands. But I edited this video in 9th January 2022. But the Sony Vegas, the Magix Vegas, that video editor, few people know. That video, it just the videos and the audio is unsync in a tiny part of the video, and I need to do that. If it's the full video, oh my god, it will be hard, and it will take at least 2 days. I don't know. But this is a small video, especially so. And I forgot to do Happy New Year, and hope you have a great year, but maybe not because Omicron came, and I don't know how it's gonna go, but at least thanks for listening to this part and not escaping from this video.
So that's it for today's video. Please comment, like, subscribe, click the bell icon, and do all these things. And so I might see you in the next video. Bye.